Hey, welcome back. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And one very important thing I forgot to mention in the previous video about my Amazon store is that when you purchase something through my Amazon store, I don't know that you purchased it. All I know is what has been purchased. So I can't thank you directly because I don't know who purchased what. So if you'd like for me to know that you purchased something through my store, you're going to have to send me an email because they don't let me know who purchased what. Just want to put that little note in that I forgot from the previous video. You can send me an email to TRRS73@gmail.com and say, oh, by the way, Tom, I am helping you out and I purchased this, whatever the item was, through your Amazon store. And that also tells me that my Amazon store is working, because you could purchase something and for some reason I don't get a credit for it. I want to know that so that I can get with Amazon and find out what's wrong. So again, thanks everyone for using my store, and have a great day. Bye-bye.